Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 31st of May 2021, Monday. It is class 12th, subject education. Dear students, today we are going to discuss spiritual aim of education. Class 11th, I repeat, it is class 11th, and today our topic is spiritual aim of education. What is the spiritual aim of education is our topic today. Let's first understand the meaning of spiritual aim. Dear students, the idealists and Indian philosophers contend that the sole aim of education is to develop the spiritual side of an individual. The advocates of this aim believe that education should aim at the maximum development of spiritual potentialities of man. यानी मानियो अमुक कि दपान यम हसा एजुकेशनिस्ट्स आइडियलिस्ट्स तम जोर दिवान कि इंसान हसा गस इंडिविजुअल गस स्पिरिचुअली डेवलप गस रूहानी तरबियत गस अमिस गई यह गस नोबल सोल बन यह गस नेक तो यह नेक चलन इंसान बन अमिस मज गसन यह गस गॉड फियरिंग आसन यह गस ऑनेस्ट आसन अमिस गस आसन पता कि व्हाट इज द रियल ड्यूटी ऑफ अ मैन टुवर्ड्स ह्यूमैनिटी यह गस अम आय तैयार यून कर यह गस जान आबिद आसन यह गस पुजूर आसन अमिस मज गसन स्पिरिचुअल अमिस मज गस यह सा यह अम सुन जहन गस साफ आसन यह गस नेक आसन यह गस नेक इंसान बन यह तालीम हुंद बोड़ मकसद तस्वुर कर. Dear students, spiritual development gives real strength to human soul and mind. Spirituality is something beyond character and morality. यह गस याद थवन स्पिरिचुअलिटी छ मॉरलिटी तो कैरेक्टर कह. Our saints and seers have realized that the existence of soul as the center of all India's real heritage is spiritual wealth. Matter is subservient to soul. Saints and philosophers like Herbert, Froebel, Spinoza, Guru Nanak, Ghosh, Gandhi, Tagore, Radhakrishnan, etc. accepted the spiritual development as an aim of education. Dear students, according to Radhakrishnan, the aim of education is neither national efficiency nor world solidarity, but making the individual feel that he has within himself something deeper than intellect. Call it spirit if you like. Dear students, what is the importance of this spiritual aim of education? Let's try to discuss it a bit. Dear students, we Indians have begun to follow the path of materialism. आज सरी लगित पोसस पत रुपयन पत दौलतस पत. We have lost touch with the noble and spiritual values. अस मुश्ती वो गुमत कि अम अलाव तह जिंदगी अस पन यम खतर अल्लाह ताला पौध करे सह मुश्ती वो गुमत अस मज सह नेक पन रोदमुत कह सिर्फ दौलतस पत लगित मकान बनावान मटीरियलिस्टिक बनियामत. Absence of spiritual education has caused exploitation, corruption, disaster, destruction, selfishness, aggression, and hatred in the world. सिर्फ अम चीजन स्पिरिचुअल एजुकेशन ये मुशरू अम मचो दुनिया मज तबाही. एक्सप्लॉयटेशन गई, इस्तेसाल, करप्शन, डिस्ट्रक्शन, डिजास्टर्स, सेल्फी खुदगर्जी, जोर जबरदस्ती, नफरत फैले दुनिया मज. Moreover, Lack of spiritual education has caused political tensions, economic stresses, and fears. Yeh kor emi. Yeh insan log sirf rapiyan kun, rapiya jama karnas kun, sirf daulat hasil karnas kun, am sait kya ga, am sait gai baki mamlat es pod. People are becoming soulless and godless creatures. Lokun chun khopi khudai kun. सिर्फ लोग यसान मे गोस कुन वन तरीक गोस मे दौलत बन चाहे अत मज मे कोता गलत पे कर तमुक सह परवाह कर कह देयर इज chaos and disorder. Betterment of the world depends upon spiritual education. अगर दुनियास ठीक गसन दुनिया सुधरुन तेल spiritual education हज जबरदस्त अमुक तेल जबरदस्त रोल. Spiritual education will eradicate the present ills of the world. Yim wiknes buroi ch duniyas maz aam buroin maz dunya gumut giriftar yim sare buroi gasan tele khatam yel spiritual education pet panu idaro maz zor demo. It will raise man to a high level by making him a man of character, honesty and integrity. It will be helpful in resolving conflicts and tensions. Tamam yim dunyas maz wiknes conflicts tazad yim sari tazad gasan khatam agar spiritual education school maz institution maz yasa ye emuk ehtimam karo. It will make us cooperative, humble, broad-minded, tolerant, enlightened, progressive and peace loving. Yus violence दुनिया में सरसी violence वुचतोन तुई मुल्क शाम वुचतोन तुई मुल्क मिस्र वुचतो तुई ओत्र गो फलस्तीन या से इसराइल या से सो यह सिर्फ वजह युत योत कि स्पिरिचुअल एजुकेशन छन अस मेजमस अस पन मसाइल अस गमत तंग जहन बनियामत अस नॉन कोऑपरेटिव बनियामत अस इनटॉलरेंट बनियामत. It will provide the basis of true humanitarianism. It will provide basis of true humanitarianism. It will encourage the policy of live and let live, जियो और जीने दो, and love the humanity. It will replace hatred in love. नफरत गस मोहब्बत मज तब्दील, खुदगर्जी गस सेल्फ सैक्रिफाइस मज तब्दील, selfishness in self-sacrifice and violence in non-violence and peace. In short, spiritual education will cause happiness, order and contentment in the world by cultivating faith in truth, beauty and goodness. Importance of education for spirituality can be highlighted as under. Religious minded. It will make the student religious minded, honest and noble. Am said when us bachchu agar dimo ye ben religious minded yani mazhabi mazhabas pe roz sun mazhab apnai ye kar panni mazhabuk sahi ya sahi at pe amal ye ben amil. Betterment of the world. Betterment of the world depends upon spiritual education. Education of eradication of ills. Spiritual education will eradicate the present ills of the world. It will minimize exploitation, corruption, greed, disaster, destruction, selfishness, aggression, and hatred. It will minimize present ills of the world. It will reduce the problem of student indiscipline, conflicts, quarrels, and tensions to some extent. Raising man to high level. Dear students, spiritual education will raise man to high level by making him a man of character, honesty, and integrity. It will make him gentle, pious, cooperative, humble, broad-minded, tolerant, enlightened, progressive, and peace-loving. He will become a man of strong character and integrated personality. Dear students, it will provide the basis of true humanitarianism. It will encourage the policy of live and let live and love for humanity. It will replace hatred in love, selfishness in self-sacrifice, and violence in non-violence. Thus, spiritual aim of education will cause happiness, order, and contentment in the world by cultivating faith in truth, beauty, and goodness. Dear students, I hope you will have understood the spiritual aim of education well. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will take up some other topic, relevant topic for you. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.